See you later, boys. I hope you like water with your lunches. Huh?
I believe you have something that belongs to those boys.
Well, who are you?
I'm Larryboy.
What are you gonna do?
It's not nice to take people's milk money.
Hey, take it easy, fella. Don't get crazy. Hey! Whoa!
Go bad or go home.
I ain't feeling so good. Hey! 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 Where are we going? You can't do this! I got race!
Ah! It's another space alien! Oh, it's the milk money bandit. We've been looking for you for months. Thanks, Larry boy.